Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here sharing a brand new project. This is my butterfly Oasis basket. Look at what's in the inside. You've got an entire oasis of butterflies. It's just really cute. It is a functioning basket. Look at the side. We did paper weaving. So here I inked the weave here. Here I didn't. I just wanted you to see the actual paper weaving exactly in its raw state. This was a lot of fun. This basket was a lot of fun to make, but what is time consuming here is the paper weaving. You can choose to do the paper weaving or not do the paper weaving. It's entirely up to you. You can mat with just decorative paper like I did here. And you'll still get this wow factor, because what's wow about this is this whatever we call this insert right here, guys. This is just stunning. Look at that. Look it. It goes all the way to the back. You can see all the way through to the back. It is just something to look at. You want to see what's on the inside? You've got a spot for your album. You got a spot for goodies right here. I haven't done the album yet, but there is an album that goes with this project. If you want to create two albums, you can absolutely create two albums and put one on either side, and then you have access to the goodie box from the right hand side as well as the left hand side. So it's really hard to show projects here on YouTube, especially when you have an overhead camera, but I hope you guys can see how absolutely fabulous this is on both the front and the back. Something to see 360 degrees, guys. You don't have to put this baby up against the wall. It is beautiful on all four sides. This is the back. Or back or front, doesn't matter. And this is the front. Look at the butterflies all suspended. They appear to be suspended, just flying and fluttering around. Really beautiful. Stay tuned for the album. This is my butterfly Oasis basket. I will link you down below. This is an EKC 21 project, but you can pick up the project on its own if you did not pick up the Kit Club. All right, this is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I hope you love it. Let me know what you think. Brand new project share for you all. See you soon.